Nice. So what are we doing?
We're repairing a hole in the roofing.
Yeah.
Which is no longer a hole, because we covered it up.
There's our new pieces. There's the old pieces. Alright, go ahead.
Like right there?
A little lower there.
Well, are you sure this is going to get covered?
Double check.
Oh yeah.
There's a view of our house from on top. For those of you super interested.
I'm going to to the side a little bit because
We just fixed a vent earlier today. It was awesome. Alright. Works for me. This is our first roof repair together.
Isn't it romantic?